We should start our session, and we should not be that much waiting line. uh, our topic is really important, and we should be really classy on our topic. So today's topic, I will be talking asking you some questions regarding conjunction. Then extempore speech, any topic will be there. Reading and explanation, and tongue twisters. Three types of things will be there. So, Tia, please unmute your mic and talk to me, please. Yeah. So, do you know conjunction about conjunction? What are the things are there in conjunction? I think you know already. Then, do you know extempore speech? Okay, very good. Some questions are there about any topic will be given to you, and that topic you will be talking at least 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes about that topic, and question will be there about the topic, what it is, what its work, its merits and demerits, and conclusion. That means in the last your review about that topic will be there. Four question answer will be there, and try to tell all these on questions answers within 2 minutes or maximum 2.5 minutes you can take. Okay. And next one is reading and explaining. If you have any book with you, then take it. You will be sharing the screen. You will be reading that chapter or paragraph and whatever it may be. Then you will be explaining in your words. Presentation skill. It is called presentation skill. Okay, that one you have to do. Shikha will be doing. You just follow her. Then I think you can get the idea what is to do and how to do and how come you have to do. Next one, tongue twisters. Already you have the 7 out of 7. I don't know, 7 or not. I think 6 tongue twisters already you have, right? Okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So let's, before starting these four topics, I shall be talking to you. I shall be sharing my screen. I will take you to the Jostock app, and there are some grammar questions are there, and I will be asking to you. You have to answer me, and you please write down the numbers, how many numbers you are getting out of 10, like that. And after that there will be one vocabulary part. Any one vocabulary, only one, any one vocabulary, which vocabulary you liked most, that one you will be writing in your copy. Okay. After that there will be reading session. Reading session, you I will be given you in the Joshua app, there will be the reading session, and you have to read it at least 3 times. And there you have to make your volume as far as possible, too much should have the sound in you. Okay. So Shikha, did you understand? I think that is a network, that's why uh, she may be joining again. So that's the part we have to do. So I'm sharing the screen, then you can understand. Okay. Can you see the screen? Yes. Okay. Please let me know. This is the grammar part, and that part I have come here. So there will be some questions, and you will be writing how much numbers you are getting. Okay. Which question you are giving answer and how much number you are getting. Just the number one and two. Shikha, are you there? Okay. Plus, I have shared my screen. Then you just listen, just write down which number is how much number you are getting out of the question. Okay. So let's start it. Can you see the question here? Okay. So now you see which of the following sentences is correct. She go to market every day. She goes to the market every day. She go to market every day. She goes to market every day. Which one is correct? Number one, two, three, four. Which one is correct? Please tell me. Only one, two, three. No, sentence doesn't need to write. You just write the number one, two, three, four. Number one you give, or you write 1 2 3 4, or ABCD you can write. Okay. So anything, which one is only A? No need to write full sentence here. A, B, C, D. Anyone. So Shikha, tell me which one is correct. Please let me know. Are you there, Shikha? Hello? 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 Are you there? Shikha is also there. Okay, you just give me the answer promptly. There should be no time wasting. You tell me. D number. Okay, just write D. Okay, let me check if your D is correct, then you will give the tick mark only. Okay, okay. It is the correct answer is this one, number two. She goes to the market every day. Number B will be the answer. Just write B. Cut D and write B. Okay, okay. Next one. They watch a movie last night. What will be the answer here? Number two, you write. After number two, you write A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? Don't take too much time, please. It was in the sentence is last night. That means the work is already done. That's why, yeah. First, it's number C, isn't it? It's number C. So please, if you have written C, then tick mark, give tick mark. Next, I'm going to the next question. Which sentence is correct? How many chocolates you have? How much chocolates you have? How many chocolates do you have? How much chocolates do you has? How many chocolates you have? So let me check this. Okay, let me check. It is the correct. It is not correct. I think the answer is how many chocolates do you have? This is the answer. But you give cut it and write number C is the number. Okay, next question. Which question is correct? What are your name? What is your names? What is you name? What is your name? A B C D. Which one? Which one is correct? Let me check. Yeah, let me correct. You just write it D. Okay. Let me see. Someone is coming. Yeah. Okay. Welcome, Karan. Welcome in the session. Okay. So next question is choose the correct sentence. She don't have a car. She doesn't has a car. She doesn't have a car. She doesn't having a car. Which one is correct? Tell me. How many numbers it is? Question. I think it is five. Okay. Five number A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? Let me know. She does not has a car. And who has told? Karan. Okay. And Tia, tell me. C. Let me see. I think that C is correct. Yes, C is correct. So write C and just tick mark it. Just tick mark it. She does not have a car. This is the correct answer. Okay, let me go to the next question. He dash be very tired after work. First, let me check whether it is correct or not. Correct. Please tick mark your answer. Next one. I'm going to the next question. Which sentence is correct? You can come to my house tomorrow. You can come to my house tomorrow. You can coming to my house tomorrow. You can come my house tomorrow. Which one is correct? T. Tia, please tell me. B. Let me check. Yes, correct. Please tick mark. Give your answer is correct. Okay. Now let me go to the next question. She always dash help her friends. And verb is help me, helped. D. And Karan, what's your answer? Helps. So I think helps is the answer. Let me check. Yes, correct. Helps is the she always helps her friends. Write down, Tia. You write down. Yes. A number. Next one. I will meet you dash the library on a in or off in Tia and Shikha in. Let me check. At the library. It should be at the library. Okay. It and next question. Let us go. Which sentence is correct? He has gone to store yesterday. He had gone to the store yesterday. He have gone to the store yesterday. He gone to the store yesterday. Okay. Karan, Shikha. Okay, let me check. Correct. Answer is correct. Okay. So Tia, you write a tick mark. Give next question. Let me. Yeah, it's already over. So now what we have done that I will be reading these words and meaning, and also which one is you loved, which vocabulary you loved. Just one vocabulary, 10 vocabularies will be there, and you have to note down just one. Which one you have written, which one you liked most, or which one you think that it is to be remembered. It need to be remembered. Okay, so that is the thing. Today I will be reading only words and meanings, and from tomorrow onwards, you will be reading words, meanings, and also the sentences with the words. Yeah, all of you? Okay, so this one is achievement, accomplishment, success. Achievement means accomplishment, success. If I am not reading, then they will not help me in this regard. So let me check. Okay, Tia, you one thing you do, you read two words. Karan will be reading three words, and Shikha will be reading four words and meanings and sentences. Okay, okay, okay. Please do it. Otherwise, they will not allow. Let me tell you something about that. How to read, that one I will show you. The next one you will be doing. Achievement, accomplishment, success. Winning the race was a great. Can you get my number? Can you get the screen? Screen can be seen. Okay, very good. Huh? Okay, okay, very good. Thank you. I thought a screen is not sharing to you. Okay. Accomplishment. Uh, Winning the race was a great achievement for her. He received an award for his outstanding achievements in success. The company recognized her achievements and promoted her to a higher position. Acquisition. Now read it. Tia, you read it once, one time. Hmm. Hmm. Next one, Shikha. Again, you read only any three regarding you three, just three words. You read it and meanings. Just read it. Oh, now you can understand the difference in reading three times. Once, when you have started reading first time, it was not that much appealing. Second time, you have made your reading a bit better, and third time, you have read very confidently. And that's the power of reading. That's the power of you can say pronunciation and everything. And if you can do that in daily basis, then your pronunciation will be very crystal clear, and you will get very much comfortable in reading, in talking, in presentation in English. That's the work reading has power. Okay, now Shikha, you will be reading two times more. Second time it was ready to be satisfactory, and the third time you have done a great job, and that's called continuation, that's called regularity. If you are regular in reading, in talking, in presentation, you are not, you don't have anything to think for. You can get your journey of learning, you're learning this language as a piece of cake. Okay, so my all the best with you, and thanks for today. And tomorrow we shall be coming with new chapters. I will be, please get ready with copies and pens. There will be some questions regarding that, and we shall have previous topics also. We can revise every day, and we shall go on. We shall improve definitely. So thank you for coming here. Thank you, dear. Thank you so much. Bye, dear. Bye, dear.